Tac Pack. All right, I have always wanted one of these subscriptions that come in the mail, and this one just showed up today, and I can't wait any longer. Oh my goodness, there is some really cool stuff in here. All right, let's take a look at it. We'll go through them here one by one. Now, there are different packages, and I have an affiliate link for you for Tac Pack. This is a great time of year if you need a gift idea for a buddy, or if you want to put this on your gift idea. Really cool stuff here. So Tac Pack has a couple of different packages, and you got to make sure you get in before the next package goes out. So when you see that they've got one ready, get your order in. And then if you're a subscriber each month, then you'll just automatically get it as well. But lots of cool things. Okay, some gauze pads in the Medic. So we've got a whole little kit of gauze pads. And then I have a couple of tourniquets, but I don't have this one. So that's cool. I also need to make sure I really know how to use these. Like, I'm sure we all watched the video, but I've never actually put one on. I feel like I need to get better at some of that kind of stuff. Okay, cool sticker. We got a muzzle device. Okay. I'm assuming that's 5.56. I would imagine that it is. And then a couple of things that I actually genuinely really needed. So this Tellus FX from SOG. I've been looking at upgrading a couple of my knives, and this was actually on my list. We can test it out and sharpen it and see how that goes. I just bought a couple of these, one for AR-10 and one for AR-15. They're really great, and they work with your magazine. So your Magpul PMag slides in there, and you can use this as a display for your gun, just like this right here. You guys have seen them in the backdrop of my live streams. I use them quite a bit as a display piece, a little bit of a storage space as well, because we're pretty crammed in on storage. But fantastic, that's great, that's great. We're gonna open this one up. This is perfect for us, because I'm always fooling with the different builds. And we've got a JE Machine Tech. I don't know that I've heard of them, but this looks like it's got the storage here, I think. I haven't come across this brand, but I am in need of a stock for a project. This is a pretty beefy unit. Looks pretty well made. Looks like it goes on. All right. Okay, excited about this. That's great. So the cool thing about getting a kit like this that comes monthly is you get to just kind of see some stuff that you didn't really know that was out there. So I knew that there was an Amazon brand of this, but I did not know that there was the Guncrete brand. And so this is great. Timely with the knife. I was actually looking at those. Always need medical stuff. We actually have a 5.56 build in the works right now that needs a muzzle device, so that's phenomenal. And then we'll have to figure out what we're going to do with this. This might go on, I might throw this on the 6.5 Grendel project and test it out, because the one I have on there is not right. So anyway, very excited from Tac Pack. Thank you guys so much. Check out the link over to them and go look at the different packages that they have. Kind of nice and fun to get a little surprise box each month. So, all right, Eagle Run 2-3, I got to get back to work. We'll see you guys next time.